What do you mean by a curved beam? Take a look at the crane hook carrying a load of the transport wagon. As you can see, hook is nothing but a solid beam which is bent initially to have a measurable curvature which is represented as 1 upon r. Remember keywords. Thus we can say that a curved beam is a machine member which has a measurable curvature. Now let us take a look at the basic difference between a curved beam and a straight beam. In a straight beam, the neutral axis and the centroidal axis coincide with each other, but in a curved beam, they do not coincide. Some of the examples of a curved beam are crane hook, lifting eye, and chain links. Related terms are Winkler-Batch theory, position of neutral axis, curved beams of different cross-section. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition, useful information.